Before launching our new blog, we brainstormed on how to structure the document process to keep track of categories, approvals, and publishing dates. Instead of using our existing document library in Teams, we decided to set up a separate Sharepoint site to more easily be able to share documents outside the marketing team, as well as with various external guest writers. To create a Sharepoint site, log into Office 365, click the Sharepoint tile, and then Create Site. Select which type of site. Here, I'll select a team site and fill in the details. As soon as you create a Sharepoint team site, a document library named Documents is created by default.